Good morning to you from Ubud. We're in the Ubud, basically the jungle, tropical forest. What would you consider this?
The jungle.
Sun in the sky, sun in the sky, you know how I feel.
Oh, this is how he slept. And I'm a small person, okay, so he's much bigger than me. Like this. And I was like, get up, pushing him over, and I was like this.
You have to do what you have to do. Such an awesome place. We are going to be going or looking for a swing for her to take some pictures on. We are going to be going to the monkey forest because she loves the monkeys. The monkeys hate me, but we've already gone over this. So yeah, monkeys love her. They hate me because of the beard. And then after that, we're going to be going to the market. There are these super comfy elephant pants that she got last year that she's going to get again this year. I might even pick some up because they're that comfortable. So far, the trip has been absolutely amazing. This is day 4 of day 8, and it feels like we've done so much already. This is another trip where we said that we would actually take it easy and relax, but there's just so much to do. Yeah. You really don't want to relax. You just want to keep on go, go, go. And yeah, I think that's one thing that we need to learn to do is just calm down and take it all in.
Yeah, this is vacation and we've set our alarm at 6 a.m. every single morning. Yeah.
Next spot we'll probably see you guys. We'll be at the swing hopefully. All right, see you in a few. Aditya, he showed us around, and what is the name of this place?
Pakel and Swing.
Pakel
and Swing.
And Swing.
Yeah.
Absolutely amazing. The footage that we were able to get, amazing. The pictures, the video, we even got the drone up. And it just now started raining. Just
a little rain never hurt anybody.
Yeah, definitely didn't hurt. But I was going to take the drone up. I guess it wasn't meant to be. I don't want to risk losing the drone and all the footage that we have. And check out this dress.
I got this just for this thing.
He was absolutely amazing. Such a good time. And you have to come here and check this out. It's totally worth it. Ask for Aditya.
Thank you very much.
Suksama.
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 Mawali.
Mawali. Boom. We have made it to Visia Desea. This place compared to the others is definitely very spiritual.
Yeah, spiritual.
We were blessed from the beginning entrance with our car. The car was blessed. We came in. We were blessed as well. That's why we have the rice on our foreheads and the flowers. And they took the flower just fell.
And
I almost lost my blessing.
This awesome bracelet for balance of your life. I am so excited about this bracelet. Like, oh, why am I at lost for words right now?
The best souvenir ever?
Yeah, souvenir, there you go. Yeah, what an awesome souvenir.
And so they had us sit in those chairs over there. They had us sit in those chairs over there the moment that we got to the lobby. They blessed us and they explained what they were doing. Really cool to experience the culture. So far, this place has definitely been top-notch, a really great experience. All right, we've made it to our villa at Visia Desea. Dun dun dun. Who the hell? MTV, go get in here, guys. I wasn't expecting you till tomorrow or something. Suksama, let me stop at the entrance here. Whenever I come home, I instantly have to urinate because of this little waterfall right here. One very important aspect of this villa is the coffee and tea bar right here. Here we have our private pool. I don't know about you guys, but this whole private pool with our villa thing, it's not getting old anytime soon.
No.
We're gonna have to get one in the house.
Yep.
Our private pool in our villa. Let's look around the side and see if there's anything over here. Not really anything over here. Steph, you want to take us into the bedroom and then the bathroom?
Step this way. And once again, we have a beautiful room.
Awesome. Next up,
the bathroom. You can follow me this way. My favorite place to be, Daniel's as well.
Oh, Yeah, but when you're in the bathroom, you like being in the tub. I like being on the pot.
Yeah, he's on the pot and I'm in the tub. Usually.
Boom, all
Same
set
time.
to go.
Same time. The shower outside.
All right, so that is the tour. We're definitely starving right now. So we're gonna head down to Ubud Central. Plus we have a few things that we need to buy from the marketplace. We have a checklist that's about halfway done. We're almost there. We made good progress today for about the 25 minutes that we were shopping there.
Yeah.
So yeah, baby steps. I can't even think right now because I have no carbs in me. So we'll see you guys in the next video.